Hey, hello, hi everyone. Welcome to M Square MuleSoft Masterclass. This is Manisha Patil. In this video, we are going to see how to query records in Salesforce. So let's see. I have developed this simple MuleSoft flow here. As part of our query operation, we are just using a listen, and then it's a start logger. It shows that execution of the flow has started. Then, as it's a query, we are not require any request here. So it's a normal query which we fetch for the custom object employee underscore profile underscore C. Let me just show you how to fetch this query using developer console. So once you log into the your Salesforce account, you have to just come on this Salesforce Classic mode here. So if you log in like this, just click on this on this your profile image, and then you will see option switch to Salesforce Classic. Once you click on this, you will land it over page like this, and from this page to go to developer console, you have to just click on drop down arrow beside your name, and once you clicked on this developer console, it will get open up for you. Once it opens, come here in file tab, then open. Here in open, you have to just select whether it's a like object or it's a package, class, whatever. In our case, it's object, and then from this list of objects, we have to search for the specific object of ours. Yeah. In our case, as it was employee underscore profile, so I just clicked on that. Yeah. Once we clicked on that, here we have to select whatever fields we want to fetch as part of our select operation, and then the in like your query SOQL query is ready for this query editor. This query is called as SOQL query, like Salesforce query language. Yeah, it's nothing but very similar to our SQL query language. So this is the query which we have used here in our query operation. This. You can also add where clause here, and then you can update with parameters manually and all. As part of response, yeah, we are just fetching it in JSON type, and this is the end logger. So I have already deployed this code to save our time here, and as we are using OAuth 2 connection type as part of our connector configuration, we have already saw how to create this consumer key and consumer secret, like how to fetch this in our create Salesforce records video. So if you have not gone through that, I'll recommend you to please go through that video once again. Yeah, and once all this done, we have to perform this OAuth dance operation as we are using OAuth authentication type. So yeah, so yeah, just give our HTTP listener host and port details, and then this is the authorized path. Once we clicked on this on our callback URL, yeah, see this is our callback URL. It will return us the access code here, and it will tell us successfully retrieved access token. Once this operation is called auth dance. Once this auth dance performed, we can now trigger the request. So once we clicked on this query operation, we will see it has returned us three objects: employee 1, 2, and 3. Let's come here and verify. Yes, let me refresh. Yeah, we are having three entries present, and that's why in our query operation it returns us three entries. Now, so this is the job of like our Salesforce query connector has done its job successfully. So now one part comes: what is the difference between query and queryAll? Actually, there are two connectors. Yeah, queryAll connector is also there. So the main difference is like query connector fetches all the active records, and based on the filter condition, like in where clause, whatever you will define after where, it will fetch that specific value. But what queryAll does, in irrespective of any condition or any where clause, it will give you all the records present. Yeah, whether those are archived or which are not used, that also. So yeah, I hope things are clear to you. If you are having any issues, please feel free to connect. Thank you. Happy learning.